Hi everyone, my name is Angie, and my pronouns are she and her. My current field and work placement is working with women and children in a long-term program. The women that I work with suffer with addiction, mental health, and trauma. What I hope to get out of this course is really a better understanding on how to work through grief and loss. I feel that at this point, I guess I feel that I have an understanding of what grief and loss is, although I want to learn how, like, some of the coping skills that you can use and give to clients to help them through that grief and loss in a healthy way. Why studying grief and loss is relevant to my future career. So my plan is to continue to work in this field, the field of addiction, including mental health and trauma. Right now I have my licensed addiction counselor. I am a licensed addiction counselor, and I want to continue to work with this population. And with being in addiction, the clients I work with experience a lot of grief and loss in their life, and me being able to help them walk through the stages of grief and how to manage the loss in a healthy way, I feel will be very beneficial. The overdose rates have obviously really became really relevant, and a lot of it's happening just more often than I think anyone would really like to see. But the clients experience people that they knew, in their youth that are ending up dying from overdose, and they don't have a healthy way to process through that. So that's what I hope that this course gives me, is to be able to help them work through that. So thanks everybody, and it'll be nice to meet y'all.